All right, good afternoon, you guys. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys had a great day. I had a great day. It's been great the last 2 days. A lot of choppiness towards the afternoon on the Qs and the spies, but pretty glad that we were able to catch some of this move. And there was a 60% move here. If you guys got the alerts this morning or this afternoon, the market ran up, right? We had a big old gap up. Bitcoin was running, Asia was running overnight. And of course, Bullard started speaking, and down goes the market. All right. So he kept saying things that was pretty hawkish, that they were going to continue to increase rates. So that kind of spooked the market. Bitcoin hit 20,000 overnight and then sold back down under to right under 19,000. And so here we are. If I go through some of the charts here and what's happening for the last 48 hours, number one, AMD hit a fresh new low today on the 52-week high or 52-week low. Same thing with Nvidia. Nvidia hit a new low yesterday. If we talk about and we look at Microsoft hit a fresh new low on the year at 234.59 before propping up a little bit here. If we look at Tesla, is going to be okay. Looks like Tesla, they're just going to hold that price around here. However, that's not a great candlestick to be looking at. I'm still thinking that at some point this week, if the Qs drop and the market continues to sell, I think we're going to see 265 pretty quickly. But you look at SPY also hit actually today. Did hit a new yearly low, but it quickly got brought up at 361. So you're looking at for now a kind of a double bottom bounce, right? Everything is pretty darn close to the June low, so the buyers are stepping in. But even though I know we're 10 minutes away from the closing bell here as I record this video, you saw this bounce up from Friday, right? The Friday when we hit that 270. Where's Friday? Okay, here we go. Friday, we hit that 270 right here, right? 270. No, that was 279. Sorry. 272 here on Friday, and it jumped up real quick to 275. And today we hit that 272 mark once again, but didn't make a new low. So pretty much a double bottom bounce here, which was kind of expected. But you know what? This bounce here is kind of weak, right? 272 to 274, 275, and it's kind of come back down. So all I'm saying is that as stocks are making more new lows, especially in the tech and the SPY and your Q sectors, you can see that the continuous selling pressure is still there. All right. We had lower volume today versus the last 2 days, which is okay. Maybe I'll give you that as a potential bullish statement. But I'm kind of just scenario A right now is that this is an A pattern, B, C, and then we're going to start moving back up here towards 335. That could be one scenario for the bulls. And of course, the other scenario is that, you know what, we are dangerously close at some point. If buyers are not stepping in a hurry, or the funds or the whales, guess what? We're going to eventually break this 272. And once that 272 breaks, we're going to see 269. And that breaks, oh boy, then there goes the market, right? So a lot of pumping in the pre-market, but just ended up not being very prosperous for the bulls. So I'm not holding much overnight, except that MU Micron will report earnings Thursday afternoon after hours. So that's it, guys. I mean, we were blessed enough to catch this big move down. And that's it. And I just wanted to walk away from the day. I did hold some puts into this little consolidation area, thinking that we might start breaking lower, but it actually pumped back up. So I got rid of the puts really quick. But anyway, that's it for today. And again, my message right now is that there just seems to be not enough buyers and volume coming into the market. Everyone's still a little bit scared. Yes, double bottom bounces work, but how far are we going to bounce? Really, are we going to pull one of these where we bounced from 272 in June lows, and where we're going to go up to 300? And it doesn't seem likely because the Feds continue to put the pressure on, right? And you got 5 Fed speakers tomorrow. Powell, Evans, Bullard speaking again. There's 5 Fed speakers tomorrow. So that's going to be interesting day tomorrow. So get some rest, folks. We'll